Hey guys, how are you doing? What's going on? I'm doing another unboxing, and guess where it's from? It's from Juvia'S place, and I was really excited because they were having a half off sale, and $20 and $10 palettes, $13 palettes. Of course I had to snatch me up at least one. I bought the Magic Mini palette and I'm about to unbox it, so get ready. So this is, ooh, look at it. I really have not ordered a palette since I got my Morphe 39A palette, and that was a Christmas gift. Wait, is that the last palette I got? I got too much stuff, and that's the problem. Oh no, actually the last new palette I got was the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I got that as a birthday gift. I feel like what made me buy this one was because I realized I really didn't have that many shimmers. Like, a lot of the palettes I got are just like matte colors, and I really felt like I needed a few colored shimmers, especially with like the ideas that I'm getting and all that stuff. So this is me opening it up. Ooh, you already know, I'm so excited. So I really think I did a good job at picking which palette to get, because I honestly don't have many shimmers that look like this, and I'm really getting excited because, like, yo, like, everybody uses Morphe. I know everybody uses Juvia'S place too, but like, I just never got to experience anything other than either BH Cosmetics or Morphe. So this is like so new for me, and I really think I picked the correct palette because, like, I really don't have that many colored shimmers, and y'all see how many shimmers is in that joint. Almost half of that palette is shimmers. So you already know I'm hyped. Like, I'm just so, like, I'm feeling so I'm so full so full of creativity now, and I'm just so hyped. Like, what I plan to do for this video, I don't know if I'm gonna do it because I can't. Like, I can't. I'm really excited. I'm going to go ahead and record something for y'all, like makeup, like something I really don't even really do on here, but I'm gonna pull it out. I'm gonna pull it out for the new palette. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I'm actually really excited to do it, and stay tuned to watch me create, because at this point I don't know if I'm gonna do what I plan to do because I'm just looking at this palette and I see so many things in my head, and I'm just so excited. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. So I just laid down a little base for what I got going on. I'm gonna talk this part through. I'm gonna do a halo eye because I just recently figured out how do that joint work. You need enough concealer to create your line, but you need just the right amount in order for it to dry. So I'm only grabbing like a little bit. Like what I just grabbed right now, that was actually a lot. I'm not going to pay that much attention towards the edges, like around this part, but I'm going to pay more attention towards this arch and getting it to be dry. I think that's the key. Let me just There it is. There it is. Okay, y'all already know my computer. Y'all already know my it died. The camera it died. I don't know why I keep trying to say something else. But yeah. So where was I? For me, it's good to do my cut crease from an angle, like me looking down, cause I can tell exactly where, like my eyeball and not my eyelid is. And I know I have hooded eyelids. Instead of cutting my crease right there, I cut it higher, also to give that illusion. I'm taking Nubia, this baby right here. Take my pinky. Ooh, child. They did that with this, okay? They really did that. Oh, I wasn't supposed to do that, y'all. Okay, so even though I wasn't supposed to use this gold, I'm gonna use it anyway. Basically what I did here was I took the dark green to intensify the look, then I used the light green to actually blend the gold together just for depth purposes. I'm just taking all the brushes that I've used and just blending the colors until, you know, I'm really feeling it, feeling the way it look. I think I'm gonna stop here, because I think I like this. This looks bomb. Just don't be afraid to place colors on top of each other. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side with the colors that I was actually supposed to use. Alright guys, so this is the final look, and as always I hope to see you guys in my next one. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed filming it. Y'all already know how I'm popping off in my corner of the world, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.